Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the essentials so nothing blocks you later. Install Homebrew and Git, then Xcode command line tools. Once done, add Android Studio for Android support. Download the Flutter SDK, extract it into /development/Flutter, and update your path so the Flutter command works globally. Next, run Flutter Doctor and act on its list. Install any missing components and accept iOS licenses. Make sure to launch the iOS simulator once to complete initial device. You now build the app skeleton and wire platforms together. Run Flutter Create My App, then open that folder in VS Code or Android Studio. Both work, choose what you prefer. Execute Flutter pub get to fetch packages and add any plugins you need. For iOS, open iOS/runner. XC workspace in Xcode, set the deployment target, and configure app capabilities. Once signing is selected with your team and bundle ID, return to the editor and verify the project compiles. You finish by running and packaging the app for testing and release. Use Flutter Run iOS to launch on the simulator, or connect a real device and accept trust prompts to run there. For a release build, run Flutter Build iOS Release and complete the archive step in Xcode Organizer. If something goes wrong, stop and run Flutter Doctor V to see detailed issues. Then cd iOS and pod install or pod repo update, and ensure Xcode command line tools are active. This fixes most iOS problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.